Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to another autonomous period here at the Michiana Premier Event. Match 76 underway. Duels firing action over from the Red Alliance. Now Blue Alliance looking to do the same. Wormgear Warriors with the pink lining up these shots as well. Their partner up in close. Now that's Mech with the bright blue light running back and forth. Now taking up some more artifacts from the gate, coming back to the close launch zone. Sending up 3 to keep on scoring for the Red Alliance. Over on blue. For the Blue Alliance, over on red, 51-89, Wolves Robotics setting some final shots.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance carrying a 56-55 lead coming into the teleoperated period. 51-89, Wolves Robotics taking a quick artifact off the floor. Now back out to collect a couple more from that gate. They fly right on back to their close launch zone. Backed up in the far field by 17-106 Plantech out of Shfea, Israel. They come back into that far launch zone. 1-2 very high arcs. All those falling right their way onto through the classifier to provide some points for this Red Alliance. 89-64. They've now grown their 1-point lead to about a 20-point lead. Now moving on into the further moments. Minute 25 left to go. 33 artifacts up so far for the Red Alliance. Looks like all 4 robots did leave in auto as well, so 6-point bonus to each alliance. Some more artifacts going up. Seems like both alliances are splitting to the same traffic pattern, with 1 robot firing from afar, 1 from near. 86-20 Wormgear Warriors, though, switching it up, coming in close. Their partners quickly changing in behind them. 17-969, that's Mech. They've taken up the far field role now as Wormgear takes back the near field. Continuing to score for the Blue Alliance, but Red now growing a commanding lead, leading the Blue Alliance by about 80, now possibly 90 points. With them 45 seconds left to go, the Red Alliance well on their way to that goal ranking point. They need 8 more artifacts to lock it down. Coming in from afar, 2 more going up for this. Not quite staying on target, though, out of 17-106. Wolves Robotics from Texas coming in with some more, though. These 2 more could help bring the Red Alliance ever closer. Indeed, there they go. Goal ranking point to the Red Alliance as we enter the end game. 221-115 with 17 seconds left on the board. All of these teams are still flying around the field. More high arcs off Plantech, playing their reliable role all match that they've been doing. Wormgear lining up for what could be a full park. Their partners trying to get a partial alongside them. Red trying to go for the full plus partial as well as time expires.
Winner is the Red Alliance with a score of 269. Good job. Now come back to match 77.